The Oricom UHF2295 is a 2-watt handheld UHF radio exclusive to Supercheap Auto. This radio is ideal for any of the outdoor activities which involve water, whether it be four-wheel driving, camping, standing under a waterfall, or fishing. When the 2295 hits the water, the torch in the base here turns on and the unit actually floats. It's got a waterproof rating of IPX7. It comes with a 3-year warranty and a large backlit display. There's a micro USB charging port built into the unit, and it comes with a charging base. Oricom is a 100% Australian owned and operated company. We know that you're going to love the UHF 2295. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails. Can you turn the hose off, please?